हेलो बच्चों, इस एपीसोड विच तुसी इन्हां बारे सीखोगे। इक्वेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू ए गिवन स्ट्रेट लाइन इन जनरल फॉर्म, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू स्ट्रेट लाइन्स, आइडेंटिकल लाइन्स, कंडीशन ऑफ कंकरेंसी ऑफ लाइन्स, डिस्टेंस ऑफ ए पॉइंट फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म। तुसी इन्हां बारे जरूर जानते होवोगे। डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन, intercept of a line to the axis, equations of lines parallel to the coordinate axis, different forms of equations of straight line, transformation of general equation into different forms. आओ हुन equation of a straight line perpendicular to a given straight line in general form नाल शुरू करदे हां। Suppose we have a line in general form, then the equation of a line perpendicular to this line is obtained by proceeding as follows. First, interchange x and y. Second, if coefficients of x and y in the given equation are of the same sign, then make them of opposite signs, and if the coefficients are of opposite signs, make them of the same sign. Third, replace the given constant by a new constant lambda, which is determined by a given condition. So the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, is bx minus ay plus lambda equal to 0, where lambda is a constant. Now let us discuss how to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines. To find the coordinates of the point of intersection of two non-parallel lines, we solve the given equation simultaneously, and the values of x and y so obtained determine the coordinates of the point of intersection. Let the equations of two lines be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Suppose these two lines intersect at a point P having coordinates x1, y1. Then x1, y1 satisfies each of the given equation. Therefore, a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 is equal to 0. Solving these two equations by cross multiplication method, we get x1 upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y1 upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, implies that x1 is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y1 is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Hence, the coordinates of the points of intersection of equation 1 and equation 2 are b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, where a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. Next, let us discuss the condition of concurrency of three lines. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. And a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 3. Be three concurrent lines. Then the point of intersection of first and second equation must lie on the equation 3. The coordinates of the point of intersection of equation number 1 and equation number 2 are b1c2 minus b2c1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1, c1a2 minus c2a1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. This point lies on equation number 3. Therefore, a3 into b1c2 minus b2c1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1 plus b3 into c1a2 minus c2a1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1 plus c3 equal to 0. On solving, we get a3 into b1c2 minus b2c1 plus b3 into c1a2 minus c2a1 plus c3 into a1b2 minus a2b1 is equal to 0. This implies determinant with first row element a1 b1 c1, second row element a2 b2 c2, third row element a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0. So this is the required condition of concurrency of three lines. Here we will now discuss the distance of a point from a line given in normal form. For finding the length of the perpendicular from a point with coordinates x1, y1 to the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, we proceed as follows. First, write the equation of the line in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0. Then, substitute the coordinates x1 and y1 of the point in place of x and y respectively in the expression. Third, take the modulus of the expression obtained in step 2. The length of the perpendicular from a point with coordinates x1, y1 to a line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p is modulus of x1 cos alpha plus y1 sin alpha minus p.
ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ equation of a straight line perpendicular to a given straight line in general form, point of intersection of two straight lines, identical lines, condition of concurrency of lines, distance of a point from a straight line in normal form ਬਾਰੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਆਧਾਰਿਤ ਕੁਝ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ।
Now let's see an example. Find the equation of a straight line that passes through the point with coordinates 3, 4 and perpendicular to the line with equation 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. ਭਾਵ एक straight line ਦੀ equation ਪਤਾ ਕਰੋ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ point ਜਿਸ ਦੇ coordinates 3 ਅਤੇ 4 ਹਨ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਾਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਅਤੇ ਜੋ ਕਿ लाइन जिसकी इक्वेशन 3x जमा 2y जमा 5 बराबर 0 है से परपेंडिकुलर होवे। नाउ इट्स सॉल्यूशन, द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन which is perpendicular to the given line with equation 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 is 2x minus 3y plus lambda equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1, because we know that the equation of a line perpendicular to the line with equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus lambda equal to 0. Also, it is given that this straight line passes through the point with coordinates 3 and 4. So from equation number 1 we get 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4 plus lambda is equal to 0, implies that 6 minus 12 plus lambda is equal to 0, further implies minus 6 plus lambda is equal to 0, further implies lambda is equal to 6. Now from equation number 1, this implies 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, that we get by placing the value of lambda in equation number 1. So we get the equation of the straight line 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, which is the required equation जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ। Now let's see another example. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point with coordinates 1 minus 2 on the line y equal to 2x plus 1. ਭਾਵ ਇੱਕ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਟਸ 1 ਅਤੇ -2 ਹਨ ਤੋਂ ਲਾਈਨ ਜਿਸ ਦੀ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ y ਬਰਾਬਰ 2x 1 ਹੈ ਤੇ ਖਿੱਚੇ ਗਏ ਪਰਪੈਂਡੀਕੁਲਰ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਟ ਦੇ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਟਸ ਪਤਾ ਕਰੋ। Now its solution. Let the given point be P with coordinates 1 minus 2. Let M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from point P with coordinates 1 minus 2 on the line with equation y equal to 2x plus 1. Then M is the point of intersection of the line with equation y equal to 2x plus 1 and a line passing through the point P with coordinates 1 and -2, and that is perpendicular to the line y equal to 2x plus 1. Now the equation of a line perpendicular to the line y equal to 2x plus 1 is x plus 2y plus lambda equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. This line passes through the point P with coordinates 1 minus 2. So therefore 1 plus 2 into minus 2 plus lambda is equal to 0 implies that 1 minus 4 plus lambda is equal to 0 further implies minus 3 plus lambda is equal to 0 implies that lambda is equal to 3. So now putting lambda equal to 3 in equation number 1, we get x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now point M is the point of intersection of the lines y equal to 2x plus 1 and x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now solving these equations, y equal to 2x plus 1 it can be written as y minus 2x is equal to 1 implies that minus 2x plus y is equal to 1. Let it be equation number 2. Further, x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 implies that x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Let it be equation number 3. Now multiplying equation number 3 by 2 and adding equation number 2 to it, we get y is equal to minus 5 implies that y is equal to minus 5 upon 5. On further solving, it is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Now, putting the value of y equal to minus 1 in equation number 2, we get minus 2x plus minus 1 is equal to 1 implies that minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 further implies minus 2x is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2 implies that x is equal to minus 2 upon 2. On solving, it is equal to minus 1. So therefore, x is equal to minus 1. So we get the values y equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1. Hence, the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular are -1, -1, जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना ਸੀ।
ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ equation of a straight line perpendicular to a given straight line in journal form, point of intersection of two straight lines, identical lines, condition of concurrency of lines, distance of a point from a straight line in normal form ਤੇ ਆਧਾਰਿਤ ਕੁਝ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਆਧਾਰਿਤ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ।
Now let's hear another example. Find the image of the point with coordinates -8 and 12 with respect to the line mirror 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. Now its solution. Let the given point be point P with coordinates -8 and 12. Let the given line be AB with equation 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. Let the image of the point P with coordinates -8 and 12 in the line mirror AB be point Q with coordinates alpha and beta. Then PQ is perpendicular bisector at R so the coordinates of point R are alpha plus -8 by 2 and beta plus 12 by 2, because we know that for the coordinates of midpoint of a line segment is half of the sum of their corresponding x coordinates and y coordinates of the endpoints, that is coordinates are alpha -8 by 2 and beta plus 12 by 2. Since the point R lies on the line AB, that is, it lies on the line with equation 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. Now, Taking the coordinates of point R, we get four into alpha minus 8 upon 2 plus 7 into beta plus 12 upon 2 plus 13 is equal to 0. Now on solving, this implies 2 into alpha minus 8 plus 7 into beta plus 12 upon 2 plus 13 is equal to 0. This further implies it is equal to 2 alpha minus 16 plus 7 beta plus 84 upon 2 plus 13 is equal to 0. Further implies it will be equal to 4 alpha minus 32 plus 7 beta plus 84 plus 26 is equal to 0. Implies that 4 alpha plus 7 beta plus 110 minus 32 is equal to 0. Implies that 4 alpha plus 7 beta plus 78 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Since the line segment PQ is perpendicular to the line AB, therefore slope of line segment PQ into slope of line AB is equal to -1. Implies that beta minus 12 upon alpha plus 8 into -4 upon 7 is equal to -1. That is, slope of line segment PQ into slope of line AB is equal to -1. This implies -4 into beta minus 12 upon 7 into alpha plus 8 is equal to -1. This implies -4 beta plus 48 is equal to -7 alpha minus 56. Implies that 7 alpha minus 4 beta plus 48 plus 56 is equal to 0. Further implies 7 alpha minus 4 beta plus 104 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. So now, from equation number 1 and equation number 2, multiplying equation number 1 by 4 and equation number 2 by 7 and then adding, we get 65 alpha plus 1040 equal to 0 further implies 65 alpha is equal to minus 1040. So here alpha is equal to minus 1040 upon 65. Now on dividing, it is equal to minus 16. So here alpha is equal to minus 16. Now putting alpha equal to minus 16 in equation number 1, we get 4 into minus 16 plus 7 beta plus 78 is equal to 0, implies that minus 64 plus 7 beta plus 78 is equal to 0, implies that 7 beta plus 14 is equal to 0, further implies 7 beta is equal to minus 14, further implies beta is equal to minus 14 upon 7. On solving, it is equal to minus 2. Therefore, here beta is equal to minus 2. So we get the values of alpha and beta as alpha equal to minus 16 and beta equal to minus 2. Hence, we can say that the image of the point P with coordinates minus 8 and 12 in the line mirror (4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0) is the point Q with coordinates minus 16 and minus 2, जो कि ਅਸੀਂ पता करना है। इस एपिसोड विच तुसी सीखिया है line perpendicular to a given line. The equation of a line perpendicular to a given line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus lambda equal to 0, where lambda is a constant. Point of intersection of two lines. The coordinates of the point of intersection of two non-parallel lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, where a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. Condition of concurrency of three lines if a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0 be three concurrent lines, then the point of intersection of any two lines must lie on the third line, or if determinant having first row elements as a1 b1 c1, second row elements as a2 b2 c2, third row elements as a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0, then the three lines are concurrent. Distance of a point from a given line in normal form. The length of the perpendicular from a point having coordinates x1, y1 to a line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p is modulus of x1 cos alpha plus y1 sin alpha minus p।
इस एपिसोड ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਅ ਸਟ੍ਰੇਟ ਲਾਈਨ perpendicular to a given straight line in general form, point of intersection of two straight lines, identical lines, condition of concurrency of lines, distance of a point from a straight line in normal form ਬਾਰੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।